It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another video update about this viney growing plant. And it has grew quite a bit since the last time I shared it with you guys. I know this plant here is going to have some flowers on it. I think it might be those yellow flowers. I forgot. I have to look through my stuff, but that's what I think it's going to be. Is this vining? I'm going to put a taller stick so it can wrap around it. But yeah, this is going to be a flowering plant, because that's what I bought: flower seeds and vegetables and herb seeds and vegetable seeds. I didn't just buy a plain old plant seed. I know this is going to have some flowers on it eventually, but I believe, yep, it gets bushy and viney, and I believe it has yellow flowers. I'm not so sure, but I know it's flowers. It's going to have some flowers on here. It should. But I just wanted to come back and do an update and share the success of how well this plant is doing. It's growing. I got it in a sunny spot, so time will tell when it starts blooming. I'm definitely going to share that, because I told you guys this plant was injured, and I just stood it back up, and it just still steady growing. Hopefully it I don't know if it can create roots, well, and so to speak, as growing another plant. That's what I'm trying to say. If it's capable of growing another plant inside of this thing instead of just one plant. And I don't know if it does, but if it will, I'm gonna be happy, because I don't know, because that is something. If this is gonna keep vining like that violet, what is that plant was called? Violet, not violet. I can't think of the name right now, but that purple plant I had that was vining all over the place. So I do believe this is what this is going to be: a vining, flowering plant. Now guys, don't forget to check out the participants that I shared in the beginning of this video. I'm sure they are doing some amazing things in their garden, and their gardens are beautiful, flourishing, and it's always something new that's, you know, developing and growing on their farm. Did I say farms? Well, not farms, but yeah, I did used to have some people with homesteads, but now these gardens that I share, that the folks are in my collab with me, they are gardening in their backyard, front yard, carport. You know, it's amazing. And you see it myself, I'm gardening on my balcony. A small, real small spot, the small spot, a balcony. But it's all can be done. You take the time. But I just want to come through and share this amazing plant that's still growing. And I can't wait to see the flowers, and I can't wait to share them with you guys. I love this, and that's it for now. Happy gardening, guys, and have a great gardening day. Bye for now. Almost forgot to share. I'm finally having some peppers. The pepper seeds have started to sprout. All right, I love it. Until the next time, updates coming. Oh, almost forgot to share this too. The sunflower looks like it's about to bloom. Amazing, amazing. Plants that are doing well. Hopefully we'll see this flower soon.
I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.